In today's episode,
Video Games!
Today, the children are having fun in the classroom.
Oh, look! Over there! No, go that way! Not like that, Nesho! You got game over! Can I take it?
Yeah, sure!
Huh? No!
Oh,
Yeah!
Can I play it, Hoggie?
No!
Aww.
Can I use it? No!
Huh?
Oh,
Let us play with it, Hoggie.
no!
Huh?
I'm playing alone! Whoa! Whoa!
Children,
Whoa!
Hoggie, are you all right?
Oh, yeah.
You broke the game console. I wanted to play with it as well.
Hoggie, all our toys are supposed to be shared. And now what?
Huh? Plim Plim! Oh?
Hello, buddies!
Hello, Plim Plim!
A little birdie told me that your video game console is broken. I know a wonderful place where we can go and still have lots of fun. Miss Arapa, can we go? Of course, Plim Plim.
Yeah!
What about all you guys? Are you coming too?
Yes, we are!
You got it!
Toot, toot, tootie flies up high above the trees. Toot, toot, tootie dives down deep in the sea. All the world's wonders and discoveries. Plim Plim takes you to see all of your dreams. Toot, toot, tootie flies up high above the trees. Toot, toot, tootie dives down deep in the sea. All the world's wonders and discoveries. Plim Plim takes you to see all of your dreams.
Here we are! Welcome everyone to the Video Games Magical Park!
Wow!
Right here, we can have as much fun as we want with the park's games.
Yeah!
That looks yummy. Really yummy.
That looks really fun!
You got a game over. Can I take over the game now?
No! It's my turn to play again! Oh? Oh?
What's the matter, Hoggie?
My video game doesn't work anymore, and now I can't keep playing!
I see. Hey, look!
Oh, I love it. Can I play too, Mei-Li? Of course. Let's play together. Wow.
Of course, Plim Plim! Video games are supposed to be shared!
You got it!
I'm sorry, Nesho. We could play the game together, but, the video game doesn't work anymore. Oh! Let's play together!
Isn't it fun to share with friends?
Share with me, I share with you. When you sharing is the key to a golden treasure chest of truthful, loving friendships. When you share with your friends so happily, you will grow and you will see how your sharing is the key. Share with me, I share with you. When you sharing is the
guys! What are you going to share today? I'll see you next time! Today we've learned that when we share, we have a lot more fun.
I can have lots of fun on my own.
I want more Plim Plim. I want more Plim Plim. Hey!
In today's episode,
Let's make a cake!
the kids are collecting fruits to make a delicious cake.
Let's get all the fruits we need to make a cake.
I can get the best fruit with only a single tooth! Oh no! My apple's fallen into the water! Oh, what do I do?
I'm going to shake the oranges out of this tree. Uh-oh. Oh no! My oranges are getting away! Oh.
What a tasty orange. Thank you, Hoggie.
You're welcome, Pam. That orange you ate was for you.
I couldn't get a single fruit at all.
Yeah, we couldn't either.
Now we won't have any cake to eat. Huh? Plim Plim!
Hello, buddies! What's going on?
We were going to make a cake.
But we don't have any fruit to make it. Now we won't have anything to eat for a snack.
I know of a place where we can find every single kind of fruit you can think of. Shall we go?
Yes!
And what about you guys? Are you coming?
Yes, we are!
You got it!
Toot, toot, tooting cars are high above the trees. Toot, toot, tooting cars are deep in the sea. All the world's wonders and discoveries. Plim Plim takes you to see all of your
Here we are!
dreams.
Everybody welcome to the amazing Fruits Park!
Wow!
Oh,
Delicious! It's so much fruit!
This is Tutti Frutti, the magic tree of Fruits Park where every type of fruit grows.
Wow! Amazing! It has the most colorful fruits. Yes, we will make the most delicious cake ever. I'm sure I can get the fruit from Tutti Frutti. Oh! Too high! I can't reach them.
Tutti Frutti is too tall for us to pick.
We won't be able to make the cake. I'd like to try to reach all the fruits, but I need some help with that.
What a great idea, Acuarella! What do you think we should do?
I can jump very high, but I don't reach.
I'm really strong, but Tutti Frutti is too big for me.
And I'm very hungry.
That's it. I have a plan. We should all do it together.
Yeah!
I forgot to account for all the weight.
Let's make a delicious cake to eat. Yes! Let's go on! No!
I know that I'm the most important part of this ladder.
I love being the tallest.
Great! I think you got it!
Hoggie, take this apple.
Going down.
Watch out, man! Catch it, Nesho. Come on, let's fill the basket.
Yes!
Do you know why this is working?
Because we're working together.
Don't worry, my friends!
With only one hand, you can make a sound. Body flip with them together at the same clap, clap. With only one hand, you can make a sound. Body flip with them together at the same clap, clap. The efforts of a team and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. The efforts of a team and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. With your hands and my hands and some other hands, we'll make
me, and we're ready to help. Working all together, we will be okay. With your hands and my hands and some other hands, we'll make up this purple team that you're going to love. With your hands and my hands and his hands too, we'll make up this purple team that nobody will defeat.
And now, look!
It's a cake! Delicious! Thanks so much, Plim Plim! Where did Bam go?
And what about you guys? What would you like to do together? I'll see you next time! Today we've learned that everything turns out better when we work together.
I could take one for the team by eating all the cake. I want more Plim Plim! I want more Plim Plim! Hey!
In today's episode,
Splashing around!
the children are enjoying a beautiful sunny day.
Mei-Li, come and play with us! Alright, here I come! What's that? Look, everybody!
Huh?
Cannonball!
Oh, Hoggie, be a bit more careful.
Huh? Where are my swimming goggles?
You mean my swimming goggles?
Where did the ball go? It's somewhere over there.
I'm not going.
I've already gone. So did I. I'll go then. Where can it be? Hoggie! Hey guys, I found the ball. Oh no!
Bam! Before you go into the swimming pool, you have to wash your feet.
Let's go.
Bam! What have you done?
Bam, you haven't kept your body clean or the water. What can we do now?
Huh? Plim Plim!
Hello, buddies!
Hello, Plim Plim!
A little bird told me that the swimming pool has become dirty. I know of a magical place where we can play and also have fun. Shall we go? Excuse me, Nesho?
I mean, if we could go, Miss Arafa.
Of course, children.
Yay!
And what about you guys? Are you coming with us too?
Yes, we are!
You got it!
Wow!
Here we are! Welcome everyone to the magical aquatic fun park!
Wow! Wonderful! It's beautiful!
With this great magical slide, it'll be super fun to go in the swimming pool!
Wow, amazing!
But before that, we have to wash our feet so that we can keep the water very clean!
Yes!
Look at this! Yippee!
I also want to try that out. Here I go! Into the water!
Oh!
Into the water!
What's going on, Bam?
The slide isn't letting me dive into the pool, Plim Plim. And I don't know why.
That's so strange. Have you tried doing it like your friends?
Oh.
It's so fun!
If I wash my feet, maybe then it will work. Yay! Woo!
We're ready now. Let's go have fun.
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, the brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, and you're washing your face, and you're brushing your teeth. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. Lots of soap and water, so you can smile much brighter. The brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face, so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, the brush of brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
And now, look!
Wow! Amazing!
Wow! What about you guys? Will you take care of water and your hygiene? I'll see you next time! Today we've learned that if we care for water and our hygiene, we have more fun.
I'll wash my feet in the swimming pool.